evil empire, laughing all the way to the bank.
Damn, Shady, this shit fire. Yeah.
Lame man, nigga tryna count me out. I told him about killing days.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cook 'em until they book 'em. So today we at the Galleria, and today we walking up to females, seeing if we can get their number without no talking, no words. So we really gonna test out unspoken riz. And yeah, type shit. That's what I'm saying.
Shit, you too?
Yeah. To get the attention without without saying nothing.
She did turn around.
She turned around?
Yeah.
I'm not tapping nobody's shoulder.
You gotta say something. Say something like, yo, you know.
That defeat the whole purpose of the video. Yo, excuse me. I get your number? What's your name?
Malaysia.
It's a nice name.
Thank you.
I'm gonna hit you up.
Alright.
I just said fucking. I just said something.
You not finna do it.
She said no.
I swear to God.
I swear to God.
Wait, you asked her?
Yeah. I'm saying like call it out a little bit further out so I could have a chance to prepare.
No, sir.
No, sir. Alright, bro. Come on, let's just walk.
3 battles. Nigga said
Come on, let's walk, nigga.
nigga, walk.
Come on, nigga. What number then?
Oh, y'all are hell. Y'all are hell.
Don't even worry about him for real.
You can get my Instagram though.
Wow. So cause he recording?
That's crazy.
Wow. Alright, bet. I'm gonna just get your number off of there then. Ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Nah, I'm good. Excuse me. I know she hear me. So I just be like, come here.
Hello, Miss lady. Come here. Can I talk to you real quick?
Look like it ain't even working for you.
It's fine, bro. I was louder than you. It was about asking. You can't be scared to ask. You be scared to check out. Walk up to a bitch and be like, damn, baby, you was pressure. She gonna be like, thank you. No. She gonna be like, thank you. She gonna be like, thank you. And you gonna be like, hey, you know what they say about pressure? She gonna be like, what? Right? Burst pipes. She gonna be like, she was gonna laugh.
It was alright, but it was alright, but I wouldn't use that though, to be honest.
She got a dress on. If she looking good in the dress, walk up to her. Maybe you working? She's like, no, I'm working. I said, oh my bad, because you work in that dress. She gonna be like,
Alright, I'll vote that one. That one got hard.
I get some right now.
you working that hard.
This is what you doing. Excuse me. Butterfly tattoos. Excuse me. I get your number?
I don't got no phone.
You lying. I can get something that like contact you. Trying to get to know you.
I got a girlfriend.
That's your girlfriend?
Hey y'all.
Yeah, we vlogging. So you got a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Y'all looking for a third?
You don't.
We gonna all be a happy relationship.
You gonna embarrass yourself on YouTube.
How? I can't take care of both of y'all. Look to be deceiving. Hey.
You so stupid, bro.
Up, nigga.
Take the damn camera.
Excuse me. Can you fill out this? You okay? All right. That's cool. Bro, we taking L's, bro.
Take a lot of
We take. She said, I'm good. I said, can you fill this out? I was, but then she wasn't paying attention. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Tap her and put your phone in her face.
What the fuck? Why would I do that? I ain't gonna lie to you too. We take a little bit of L's. But feel me, we ain't all L's. We gonna get some more. You said what? We gonna get some more dubs. That's like, what's that? 4 L's to 2?
On Instagram.
So I gotta get the number? Alright, it's good. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Excuse me. You got a boyfriend? You got a boyfriend? You got a boyfriend? No. You want one? You good? Alright, it's cool. Hey, they had 2 niggas already trying to hop down at the same time. They already had 2 niggas trying to hop down at the same time. 3 niggas actually. Look right there, I swear to God. She on the phone. Hey. How you want me to do it then?
They finna be in this house?
Nah, let's just go to the food court. Come on. Excuse me. I can get your number? Why not? You got a boyfriend? She wasn't even trying to give me the time of the day.
Did you say something?
Yeah, she wouldn't even turn around like fully. Excuse me, y'all single? Y'all single? That's gonna ignore me. That is wild. That side-eye the fuck out of me.
Julian.
Hey, it's cool though. It's cool. You said what? Yeah, they wasn't even all that to be side-eyeing that shit. Look, them bitches know. They probably do know I'm shooting this shit for a video. That's probably the only reason they did that shit. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, we ain't leaving them all till I get one more number. So, I'm boys. You said what?
You only gonna take 1 dub?
Nigga, I have a dub already, dick neck.
You only gonna take 2?
I got 3.
What's the third one at?
Get off my tip on Sean. Today just off there, I should have re-chopped up. Bro, everywhere I look, I see them hoes. Look, flip the camera on. No, it's not that I'm happy, nigga. Just I see them everywhere. Bro, today just an off day. No, today's just an off day. Today's an off day. Bro, why would I do that, bro? I'm gonna post what's real, bro. I'm gonna post what's real. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I ain't getting not that much numbers today, then I'm gonna post it still. I'm gonna just make another video on the same thing and be like, last time was an L, and this one's about to be a dub. Nigga. Bro, Curry took a long time to learn how to shoot, didn't he? Curry had to train to get shot to shoot the ball, right? Nigga, I'm better than Curry. Nigga, I'm cook him, nigga. Excuse me. You got a boyfriend? You do? You You can't have no friends? No friends at all? Alright, that's cool. Huh? Like, down. Yeah.
The video is not talking.
Hey, at this point, bro, I gotta talk.
It's that shit right here. I'm up here.
Alright, bro. What you think?
At the register?
Huh?
At the register?
Yeah, I think that's what they're talking about.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, yeah, I fuck with
Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna have to use words on this one, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna wait till she done ringing up the nigga. I can't even really goof off on this shit. I gotta be for real. What you talking about? What should I? Nah, that look like a nigga. When you see that?
Nigga. You seen I said, I'm like, oh, let me not say nothing before that hoe come closer. I know, this hoe might be dead, dude.
Yeah. It might be time to wrap up the video, no bullshit. I want to get at least one more, like, interaction.
It was a bad step. Stop fucking dancing. No.
Excuse me. Is that Nana? Nah, man. You tell my Dylan, go. Nah, too late, man. Too late, bro, Chacho. How y'all doing today? Y'all doing good? What's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah, what's your name?
Rome.
Rome?
Yes.
Oh, like the
Like the place. Yeah.
like the place? Oh,
Yeah.
what's your name?
Tanya.
Tanya, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So like, I can get one of your numbers.
No.
No.
Get my number out.
All right, what about your Instagram?
Yeah.
I get your Instagram. You gonna follow me back?
Yes. I'm gonna follow you back.
I'm gonna get your number off your Instagram now, so it should be good.
Okay. How old are you?
How old are you?
How old are you? I asked you first.
I'm grown.
You're grown.
I'm grown. How old you is?
I'm grown.
What's grown?
I think it's grown. Yes.
21?
22.
Oh, okay.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Dylan.
Dylan. You already know my name. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm gonna text you. Hey, come on. Nigga, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're going home. Hey, half a win is still a win, so 2 dubs. It is. All right, y'all. We finished with a dub, kind of like half dub, but you know, if y'all fuck with this content, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all send this shit to a friend, and we out.